Throw it to the ducks, Whit.
Oh, here comes the Aflac.
That little swan's mean.
This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm notorious for that.
Oh, here's our ducks. Here they come. Make sure she doesn't fall, Mark. The goose is coming after me. Hmm? There you go. Maybe we can get Mommy in the picture. Are we in?
Yeah, it's your head.
Oh, just my head?
Just your head. Just your head. Whoa. He's got like club feet.
Mm-hmm.